The Weber Summit Smart Grill represents a paradigm shift in the world of outdoor cooking, combining traditional grilling with cutting-edge technology. This premium grill is designed for culinary enthusiasts who demand precision, versatility, and a touch of luxury in their outdoor cooking experiences. Touchscreen and smartphone control at the heart of the Summit Smart Grill lies its high-definition touchscreen, offering an intuitive interface that puts control at your fingertips. Whether you're igniting the grill or adjusting temperature settings, the touchscreen simplifies the process, making grilling more accessible than ever. For those who prefer a hands-off approach, the grill can be controlled remotely via a smartphone, allowing you to monitor and adjust settings from anywhere. SmartControl technology. The SmartControl technology is what truly sets the Summit Smart Grill apart. It eliminates the guesswork from grilling by providing precise temperature control and real-time feedback on food placement. This intelligent system ensures that every steak, burger, or vegetable is cooked to perfection. Top-down infrared broiler. One of the grill's standout features is the top-down infrared broiler, which delivers intense heat for creating steakhouse-quality crusts. This feature is perfect for searing meats evenly, locking in juices, and achieving that desirable caramelized exterior. Versatility at its best. The Summit Smart Grill is not just a grill, it's a complete outdoor cooking station. With the integrated rotisserie, smoker box, and the ability to accommodate custom-fit grillware, the possibilities are endless. Transform your grill into a griddle, pizza oven, or wok with the Weber-crafted cooking grates and frame kit, expanding your culinary repertoire. Connectivity and convenience. In today's connected world, the Summit Smart Grill fits right in. With in-grill sensors that feed critical data to your mobile device, you can set and change temperatures without lifting the hood. This feature is particularly useful for slow cooks, where maintaining a consistent temperature is key. A grilling concierge at your service. Weber understands that navigating the features of such an advanced grill can be daunting. That's why they offer a grilling concierge service, providing expert assistance 7 days a week. Whether you need help choosing the right model or have questions about a feature, the concierge is there to ensure a seamless grilling experience. Sustainability and durability. The Summit Smart Grill is built to last, with a focus on sustainability. The durable construction and rust-resistant materials mean that this grill is an investment that will serve you for many years to come. A culinary showstopper with its sleek design and impressive capabilities, the Summit Smart Grill is more than just a cooking appliance. It's a statement piece for your outdoor space. It's designed to impress, whether you're hosting a large gathering or enjoying a quiet meal with family. Conclusion. The Weber Summit Smart Grill is a testament to Weber's commitment to innovation and quality. It offers a grilling experience that is both luxurious and practical, making it the perfect choice for those who take their outdoor cooking seriously. With the Summit Smart Grill, you're not just grilling, you're creating culinary masterpieces.